Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download ESPN application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your App Store to begin. Now go to the lower right-hand corner and tap on a search button in the search box that appears at the top. Type in ESPN in the search box and search. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to find the application displayed at the very top on the next page. ESPN Sports News and Highlights application is for iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch and Apple TV. You won't be able to find the application on your Android device. Simply tap on the Get button right next to the app in order to download the application right on your iPhone. Once the application begins to download, wait until it finishes. If you tap on the application, you'll be able to see more information about the app on the next page. Go through its app info page, its ratings and reviews and much more. At the very bottom you'll be able to see all the information that you need about the application. Soon after the application gets downloaded, you will be able to see an open box and pop it up right beneath the app. Tap it on in order to launch your app open. That is how you can easily download ESPN application right on your iPhone, quick and easy with a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If otherwise, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.